Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Sparking Zero no sound or audio issues. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, check and update audio drivers. Open the Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Then, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio device, it might be called Realtek Audio or similar, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows find any updates. Restart your PC after updating the driver to ensure the changes take effect. If Windows can't find an update, visit your motherboard or sound card manufacturer's website to manually download the latest driver. Next, adjust sound settings in Windows. Right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Output tab and make sure your default audio device is set correctly. If you're using headphones or speakers, they should be listed as the default. Then, click on your default audio device and you'll get to its properties. Here, set the default format to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, or the highest possible setting. Test the sound by clicking the Test button, then click OK if everything works fine. Restart the game to see if the issue is resolved. After that, verify game files on Steam. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and select Properties. Click the Installed Files tab, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to check and repair any corrupted or missing game files. Once the process is done, restart your PC and try running the game again to see if the sound issue is fixed. Next, set the game to high performance in Windows settings. Press Windows+I to open Settings and navigate to System. Click on Display and scroll down to find Graphics settings at the bottom. Add Dragon Ball Sparking Zero to the list by browsing the executable file from your game folder. Set the game to High Performance mode to ensure it's using your dedicated GPU, which can help solve audio lags or glitches. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect and relaunch the game. Finally, disable audio enhancements. Go to the sound settings by right-clicking the speaker icon and selecting Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your default sound device and to access its properties. Navigate to the Enhancements tab and make sure to turn it off. Apply the changes and restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix Sparking Zero no sound or audio issues. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.